Welcome back. In this video we are going to set up your local AEM author instance so you can start developing on your own machine. Before we begin, ensure you have Java, Maven and Node installed globally. So you can just type the command and check if they are available globally. For Java the command is java-version. I have Java 11 installed. Then for Maven command is mvn-version. I have Apache Maven 3.9.16 installed. Then Node, I have version 24 Node installed. Then if you have these three installed globally and you can see their versions, then to start we have to create a dedicated folder on your hard drive, named my folder as author, and inside that we have to paste the AEM jar file which we have downloaded from Adobe's software distribution portal. First we need to use a standard naming convention for our jar file. So you can just right click and rename it to the AEM-author-p4502.jar. So it specifies, so I have already renamed, so I will not rename again. So specifying author in the file name tells the engine to boot as a content creation environment, and P4502 explicitly sets our local network port to 4502. Next we have to open our command prompt or terminal depending on your operating system, and you have to run one command to start installing of AEM jar file. So the command is java space hyphen jar space your jar file name, and you just have to hit enter. Then you have to enter your desired admin password. So mostly you can keep your password as admin for local development. Re-enter it, and then it will start installing AEM local author instance in your system. It will take some time. Once it is done, it will directly open the local author AEM author local instance URL directly into your browser. As you can see, my browser automatically opened on the URL localhost 4502, and it just redirected to the login screen where you have to add your username and password which you have entered while installing. So my username and password is admin, so I will just enter that, and once I am signed in, I can see AEM's instance like this. The first startup can take anywhere from 3 to 8 minutes depending on your machine's processor speed, so don't worry if it seems to hang. Once installation is completed and your author instance will start, so you will be able to see the screen. This is the AEM's landing page of AEM. You can see like this, you can go through any of these menus, and so this is our AEM instance is started. To securely stop the AEM instance, you in the terminal or command prompt you just have to press Ctrl C. Then your author instance will securely stopped here. Now if you go to your file system where you have pasted your jar, you can see there is a new folder called crx-quickstart has been created, and inside that folder we can see the bin folder, and inside that bin folder there is a file called quickstart. For the next time when you want to start the instance, you can just double click on this quick start file, AEM's graphical UI, or you can say it's just a UI strip for AEM. Check the progress of starting the AEM instance, and this is how you can securely start the AEM instance again.